We had a huge rainstorm last night. It popped up all of this mulch. I need to get some landscaping stakes so I can stake in the drip. I don't know if you can see, but it's like kind of raised up, so I need to like pin that down. Then I can get it all covered and figure out if I want to put any mulch in here. I would like all of these plants to grow enough to just fill it in, because I don't know, I just don't know if I want to go with black mulch anymore. I might want to go with natural, but I might need to let it settle a little bit because I'm like pretty full right here, but there are some lower lying areas, so I don't know. We'll have to see. Today we're gonna do a little work in the garden. I need to prune some flowers, finish off my fertilizer for the week, and then we're gonna get a little introduction to the backyard. I thought this clematis was doing well, and then part of it died. So I need to cut part of this off. I'm just gonna cut off all the dead pieces and see if it can survive. Normally I'm not a big yellow fan, but this year I don't know what's come over me. I'm loving these yellow flowers. I do have to deadhead them because they get a little crusty, but there's so many blooms on them ready to shine. Some of these king tut grass really grow in at an angle. And what I found is if I keep them trimmed off, the ones in the middle will grow back thicker and stronger. I'm really contemplating whether or not I should deadhead this area. I don't know why it's so hard for me to cut off pretty blooms. Come get it, Tip. You guys need to get your baseball practice done. Yeah, now's the time to get it done.
Go practice. When you get up early in the morning, they train late at night because that's when they fight.
My sister has one of these plants. She has for years, and it is huge. I have looked everywhere for them, and when I found one, I had to get it. I'm just cleaning off the leaves with a little bit of neem oil. They were a little crusty from being in the garden center for so long. I'm just so excited I found this, and so I'm cutting off these smaller leaves that are a little bit spent, hoping to encourage more growth to come out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I appreciate it more than you know. If you enjoyed it, give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.